City.
Yes, and believe it or not, it's colder than we were this time yesterday. So we've taken another little hit. We feel it out there, anywhere from 10, almost 20 degrees colder than we were this time yesterday. So it's straight up cold. Grab those layers. Mount Kisco at 13, Ossining at 9, Redding Ridge 18 degrees. We still have some air temperatures close to zero this morning. Linden at 20, Morristown, you're sitting at 5 degrees with right now Ozone Park at 23. So similar to yesterday, we're going to get that sunshine. The winds aren't too bad. That'll feel pretty decent by the afternoon as temperatures get close to freezing. 23 degrees through 10 o'clock, 31 through 3 p.m. It does stay dry. And again, winds generally on the light side, so we'll enjoy that. By 6 p.m. back into the 20s. All right, 6:31 right now. Adele, what's yes, time to get those babies up and at 'em and headed out to school. Obviously, cold at the bus stop this morning, so all the layers. We keep the sunshine all day, and it stays dry with light winds today, so somewhat comfortable. Still tracking the snow showers arriving late tomorrow night. I've got an update on the totals expected, so you can plan the weekend in the 10-day.
Thanks so much.
Winter Olympics vibes, though, back home for sure. And maybe one of those iconic summer destinations. Looking chilly this morning as we look at Coney Island from Earth Cam. Still have all the snow on the beach. We still celebrate just getting to freezing today. So we get that sunshine and the light winds, but still tracking that dangerous cold into the weekend. And we've been talking about how at times it will feel and be even colder than that last bottom of the last Arctic outbreak. And then, of course, still looking at the late Sunday or late Friday snowfall. I have the update on those timing, on the timing and the totals for you. Icy Hudson right now, it's 21 degrees. Again, we're talking about the light winds, but you still want all the layers. We keep all the sunshine, which will, again, be pretty nice. So yesterday was not as harsh, right? We'll still use that characterization. 27 at noontime, headed close to freezing today, about 30 degrees through 5 p.m. and a few more clouds heading into the overnight. So some changes ahead. First, the clouds. So it'll be mostly cloudy tomorrow, still temperatures close to or below freezing, but it's this front and this clipper just enough to it by overnight Friday into early on Saturday. That's the dose of some snowfall, still expected to tap into some of the coldest air of the season so far. So what does that snowfall look like? Well, again, clouds all day Friday, so dry really almost start to finish. And then with snow showers starting to develop, especially overnight Friday into early on Saturday, where that snow hangs up maybe a little bit longer, eastern Suffolk County, not just Saturday morning, but into the early afternoon. That's where we could see some of the higher end totals of what we're looking at, which is not generally a whole lot. So kind of on that coding to an inch or two for most of us. But again, for Suffolk County, maybe more like 3+ inches. Every snowflake is going to stick. So that's definitely part of the forecast. 32 today, lots of afternoon sunshine. We'll get down to 19 degrees overnight tonight with those light winds. Then Sunday, by Sunday, still blustery here after those gusts Saturday, 30 to 40 miles per hour with wind chills that even in the city could dip 10 to almost 20 below zero. We do recover a bit, some thawing out there by Wednesday, but then keeping an eye on a few wintry mix systems here for the end of next week. All right, 6:49, Adele, what's slowing us down?